In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off press power button to lock Samsung screen. So just like this, and that is going to lock your Samsung phone screen. You see that? Then you'll be prompted to type your password or use your fingerprint. So each time you press the power button on your Samsung Galaxy device, this is going to turn off the Samsung phone screen and lock the device. So here, I'll show you how to fix this. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off or disable Samsung phone power button from locking your Samsung phone screen, all you just need to do is go to the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on lock screen and HOD. Then locate secure lock settings and click on it. Type in your PIN, password or pattern depending on the security type you're using to secure or lock your Samsung phone. Click on continue. Then here locate lock instantly with side button. Then disable this. Then you can see if external lock is in effect, the phone will stay unlocked. Then once this is disabled, then you cannot go back to your phone screen. So whenever you press the side button in your Samsung Galaxy device, just like this will dim or close the phone screen and you'll be able to unlock your phone. However, if you are using fingerprints on your Samsung Galaxy device, while pressing the power button, this will still be able to not lock your Samsung phone. See that? So that's how you can easily disable your Samsung phone screen from being locked with the side button. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.